What's going on, YouTube? I'm back at it, adding some more parts to the bike. This time I have the driven racing gas cap and base. We're gonna do a install. I already taken the gas cap off, but before we put this gas cap on, let's weigh it. You know, I like to see if I can get some type of weight saving gain here. So let's weigh the OEM one. Let's see where we at. Not too bad. Like 6 ounces, 6.6 ounces. Let's weigh the driven. Let's see where we at on this one here. It's 5.7, so almost maybe an ounce, maybe a little bit under an ounce. One more time, let's see. So this one was 6.6, and this one was like 5.7, so maybe almost an ounce. That's not bad. And I also have the bolts in here too, so it can be a fair comparison, because I have the bolts in this one as well. The install is pretty straightforward. Once you take this cap off, remove the 4 bolts, and also be careful not to drop a bolt into your gas tank there. Put a rag in there first as you're taking the screws out. Alright, so on that note, let's go ahead and install it and see how it looks. Like I said, I already have taken the bolts off. Make sure I got it the right way. Look like it is the right way. It's in there snug. And also make sure you use the OEM gasket that comes with it. It's the black gasket that goes around here. Make sure you use that. It looks pretty good with the bike. I like it. One other thing, if you do purchase this, you do have to order the gas cap. It's separate. And what I did was push down on it and twist, and it comes out. You can get these in different colors, so keep that in mind. And like I said, this is a driven racing gas base and cap. If you go to any one of your websites to purchase this, I think the base is around $70 and the cap is another $70. So keep that in mind. And voila, that's it. Looks pretty good on the bike. I like it. I like the red. Goes with the carbon fiber. Alright, you guys tell me what you think. Make sure you subscribe and like this video, and I will be giving you plenty more to see.